So you've been having some rat issues, huh?
Yes. I had my hat laying out on the table. I think they chewed on this.
We have a rodent dog.
Huh?
We have a rodent sniffing dog that is
my God,
absolutely amazing.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, I'm thrilled.
See if we can get this resolved for you.
Okay.
Yvonne, check it out.
Oh my God.
Oh, yes.
Hello. Oh, it's the twins.
Twins.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here.
Yvonne,
Thank goodness.
nice to meet
Oh,
you. And who's
fantastic.
this?
This is Bentley.
Hi, Bentley.
Very friendly, and he's very happy you're here
Oh,
today.
I
Very
bet.
happy. Please excuse the house. It is a mess. I left a lot of things the way they were, so you'll see.
No
them.
worries. So you've been having some rat issues, huh?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. So-
Everywhere.
Let's do a walkthrough and
Okay.
see if we can get this resolved for you.
Okay, all right.
So you've had a lot of activity, I was telling David, right, Yvonne?
Yeah. A lot of stuff is going on. A lot of stuff needs to still go on.
Yeah.
Floors, pipes breaking, leaks in the ceiling,
Yeah.
a lot of stuff.
Are the rats chewing your pipes?
I have no idea. My God, I hope not. I'll get confused as to who's who. So please forgive me. I'm sure everyone
We're
goes through
so
this with you
used
guys,
to that.
I'm
We're
sure.
so used to that.
I know that they're under the house because workmen have seen them dead under there. I know they're on the roof because I've seen them through the skylight and I've heard little sounds up there. So I know they're there. And of course, I have unfortunately seen them here in the house several different times.
When was the last time you saw them inside the home?
It's probably been a good week.
Okay.
I've heard sounds, but I haven't actually seen them.
And what part of the house have you seen them?
You and I talked about the laundry room, correct?
Oh yeah, that's the
That's
big
the hot spot?
That's the hot spot. One came out at night, and I'm assuming it came out from under here.
Okay.
And it ran out into the center of the carpet. When I saw it, I just automatically jumped out of the chair and yelled. I didn't scream, I just yelled. I thought I would have screamed or something, but I yelled. And the rat froze and went, and then ran back in here. Ran back this way. Like, he didn't know which way to go or what to do. Here, underneath the dining room table, had been all kinds of things they'd make a nest with.
Oh.
Like little pieces of paper, cotton, little chips of wood. Along here, through there's always droppings, or that way, around that wall and down through there.
Okay.
And then they've gone through in here and in here. I took out a lot of stuff, but I can take out the rest. I took out a lot.
Okay.
See those huge openings?
Yep.
Yeah.
I asked my plumber.
I can see rat droppings too.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
I'm not surprised.
He's everywhere!
Yeah, that was right up there. I'm scared
Inside
to go
that
in
drawer?
there. Yeah. I'm scared to go back in there, so I've left it. I had my hat laying out on the table. I think they chewed on this.
That was never like that, right?
No, it was
Yeah.
never like that before.
Okay.
Yvonne, so tell us a little bit about, you called, when you and I were on the phone, you called 4 or 5 different pest control companies. A few came out. You interviewed them, and I really honor how much research you've done. It was pretty impressive on a lot of the things that you picked up from what pest control companies do and not do. What were some of the takeaways of things that you liked and didn't like about the pest control technicians that came here?
One of the things that I noticed right off was that most of them, with an exception of about one person, really didn't check the house out.
Interesting.
I had a list of things I wanted them to look at. I was very specific, and termites I wanted them to check for as well. That seemed to be their main throw. My main thing was rats and fleas, and then anything else after that. But they weren't that interested in that. They told me they might put down maybe 3 traps. And I thought to myself, 3 traps?
It's got to be more than this.
Well, the good thing about today, Yvonne, I didn't tell you, we have a little surprise for you.
Oh, God.
We have a rodent dog.
Huh?
We have a rodent sniffing dog that
Oh
is
my God,
absolutely amazing.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, I'm thrilled. thrilled. You cannot believe.
So you could sense how desperate she is to get to the bottom of this rat infestation. And she was super happy about the surprise of bringing Leroy. You can just tell that she was super elated. So we're gonna go ahead and do an exterior inspection with Leroy, and then we'll begin to come inside to do the interior inspection. But Dave, let's head over to Dave, because I think he found something.
All right, before we deploy Leroy, I already found a hot spot. Check this out. There's the rat grease right there, and then there's an opening going right into her crawl space.
So let's get Leroy out, Dave, and see if he comes right to this area out.
Yep. All right, so here's Leroy. He's
boy?
ready. He's ready.
You ready, boy? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to work. Let's go to work.
It's showtime.
Yeah, I see the tail here, guys. This is a good sign right here. He's on
Something
he's on
there.
something.
Change of behavior. This is what we're looking for right here. Go to the back. Definitely spending some time in this water heater room. Come on, come on. Come check. Good boy.
Look at this, you guys. It's a big gap right here that goes underneath the crawl space. Huge gap.
So it appears they're coming from the bottom up, Dave.
Set Leroy in the garage, see if he can flush anything out. Okay, so we're up on the roof, and you can see that the vents are wide open. Here's another one, wide open. For sure the rats are getting in from those lower areas, but these areas up here on the roof need to be excluded. Hey, Raul.
Yeah.
Let's get our wire mesh, stainless steel screws. There's some exclusion work that needs to happen up here. Okay, so Jim's gonna go down the crawl space with Leroy. See if we can flush any rats.
You just take the whole collar off.
Ready?
Good.
Go. Gonna head over to this water heater area where he's already standing up in there right now. Check, 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 check. Good boy. Check, check, check. Check, 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 check. Getting excited. Something going on right here. He's on to another spot over here. Check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. This is what Leroy sniffed out. A little burrow right here where the rats chew through the insulation. Oh, Leroy's onto something. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. He's sniffing them out. There's another area right here he sniffed out. Hot spot right here. No doubt. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, get him. Good boy. Okay, so now we're gonna do an interior search. Just have Leroy go everywhere. Kitchen, living room, bedroom, see what he finds. Check, 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 check. Check, check, check. Look at those holes right there. Goes directly underneath that crawl space. Good find, Leroy. Oh yeah, see that gap right there? Look at that, guys. He found that air. Something's going on behind this cabinet here. That kitchen, definitely a hot spot for sure. And that kitchen matches directly where that opening was in the very front where Dave and Leroy both sniffed out.
So this is a pretty good find. You can see the rub marks right here. There's all the Sabium from the rats right through here. And then looking a little closer, you can see that the screen is wide open, and they're even storing like dog food inside of this area right here. And this is where the infestation begins. The other thing we found for Yvonne is underneath the crawl space here was really wet. So I ran a water hose, and the water was migrating from here into the crawl space. So as you can see, we've applied our exclusion work with stainless steel. We're gonna go ahead and temporary waterproof this section here because we don't want any more water soaking into this wood here, causing more wood rot. Fungus grows with Poria and crissata loves this here. You should never have wood dive down into concrete because the water just sits in here and then this just starts to absorb like a sponge, and then it creates all this damage here.
So let's get outside. Dave's got the smoke machine and everything ready. We're about to do that right now. Okay, so we've got the smoke machine here. We're smoking. Ready, Raul?
Yes, sir.
Here we go. We got smoke. We're gonna go ahead and insert it here.
So we're doing our smoke test, and Jimmy's underneath the house right now to confirm if we have any breaches. So far, he's not screaming. So we got smoke coming out all the vents, bro? Okay. And remember, Leroy was really hot here in this water heater area, really just going nuts. So we're excluding these big holes in there. Also back over here in that corner. Oh, got your workout, huh? That's a long crawl. That's a long crawl. And the beam went like this. Hurt my head. Hit your head? Really bad, dude. Good thing you had your hat on. David, it was excruciating to get knocked out. Okay, well, that one area in the front dives right in where David and Leroy snipped out. Coming in, you can see the rub marks on the cinder block. 5 feet in is where the kitchen is, so that was the nearest entry point. They dug 2 holes up right underneath that cabinet. So they were chewing through the wood? You got it. Nice. Nice. I went underneath the crawl space and did a thorough inspection. Let me just show you some of our findings here. This right here is underneath the furnace area. There's the rat grease there, big old hole there, and they're bringing in some dog food. That's underneath your kitchen sink right here. They created a burrow right underneath the cabinet.
In there?
Yeah, look at this. That's the drain pipe for the kitchen, right?
Wait a minute, that's
They came right up in.
right there, that opening?
Yep. That's,
is that supposed to be there, that
oh,
opening?
no, they chewed.
They chewed through it?
They chewed through it, yep.
Oh my God.
Look at that burrow. Look at that burrow.
Oh no.
And then we did a water test for you.
What is that from?
That's you. That's from the corner, Yvonne. I was running water on the outside because he's seen water. I saw water, so we did a water test for you. And then over here, look at this. More water. I'm running a water hose on the exterior corner because I saw this drain pipe wide open in your crawl space, which I don't like because rats can come right through and dump in. So David and I did some water tests, and now I know why somebody put this drain there, because you've got water in that corner. And so when you get hard rains, that corner fills up. This is a relief valve for that water to flush out. Look at this.
What is
Leroy went nuts here.
They chewed through what, pipe or
no,
what?
Insulation. Right here.
And you can see right here, Yvonne.
So are they gone down in there? Is that what it is?
Yep. You are lucky. Here's your dryer. Look at your dryer.
Oh, is that
Yvonne,
thing supposed to
there's
be
your
like
dryer
that?
bed.
No, absolutely
So
not.
what, they ate in there?
Yeah, they chewed all that up. Well, we sure got a lot done today, and man, that was amazing with Leroy underneath that crawl space. Him going straight for those hot spots was awesome to see, and that one hole right there was the main entry point. You saw how they come in, and then the grease marks, and then right into that kitchen. So super happy. Yvonne is elated and very, very, very thrilled with our findings. All right, this is day 2. It's always exciting because if you've done a great job with the exclusion work, those rat traps should be catching something day 1, day 2, and day 3. So let's go have a look to see if we caught anything. Good morning, guys. So what's your prediction? Do you think we caught any rats on those traps?
We might, probably.
Think so?
Yeah. Hopefully we did, yeah.
So we set some traps, what was in the kitchen and then in the crawl space?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the crawl space. Let's go have a look. Oh, oh. Oh, yeah. We got 2 of them. Bam. Look at that. Got the little big boy right there. Look, he went right for that Slim Jim. Just didn't quite make it. That's 1. And there's 2. He went for the cheese. Look at that. Just smashed him. That's a nice catch, you guys. Look at that. See, and that wouldn't have happened. The exclusion work wasn't done. So if you didn't find that entry point, you're not going to catch rats. They last a lot. Hey, why are my rats traps not catching rats? It's because you haven't found the entry point. So this is a good sign right here with this catch. Put this one on the grill today for some rat tacos. Little bit of olive oil, garlic. So good. Let's get Yvonne's reaction. This is either gonna go well or why in the hell did you show me that? Yvonne, check it out.
Oh my God. Look at the size of that guy.
Isn't he big?
Jesus criminy.
We got these right underneath your bed.
You stinker.
Just kidding.
Stinker. God, where were they? Seriously.
Right underneath the crawl space. So the reason why we're catching them like this, it's very, like if we didn't find and seal off the entry points, we wouldn't have had the success. But because they were closed in under fear, distress, hungry, this is the results. You don't just catch rats when you haven't found their entry points. So this is a very, very good sign.
Oh, that's so creepy.
Got him good. His teeth are right into the Slim Jim.
Have you ever been bitten by one of these guys?
I almost, but look at his teeth are right.
God, they are. You can't even get it out of there. Little sucker, he just
We still got to look underneath the kitchen.
Well, I was going to talk to you about that.
Did you find something under there?
Just kind of glanced.
Okay.
Really
We're going in there
next.
next.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Take off my gloves for that one. Let's go in the kitchen now and let's see if we caught more. Oh, yeah. Nope.
You got nothing. Nothing.
Yeah, they didn't even make it up here. There's no rat droppings or anything. We'll just go ahead and leave these here. All right, so as you can see, we use waterproof concrete. And now when the water hits this, it's gonna roll away. But that's also has wire. We protected the wood as well. So this is all completely sealed up. No longer can they get into this space right here. All right, so as you can see, we've got solid metal pipe. This is what's gonna replace the dryer vent. You never wanna use that flexible stuff underneath your house. Always use solid metal. Easier to maintain and clean the lint. Rats can't chew through this either. It'll last you forever. You won't have any holes later on where you're gonna blow that dryer lint all over your home.
Dave, with that catch, you need to celebrate with the rat dance.
The rat dance, yes! With that catch, we need to celebrate with the rat dance. I agree. Here we go. Well guys, that's pretty much a wrap. We're just gonna finish up the details here, and again, just an awesome find, and to know that you made a difference is all that matters to us. So please leave your comments, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.